Roller coaster enthusiasts, add this one to your list.
Definitely.
This is the best wooden roller coaster I have ever been on.
El Toro is located at Freizeitpark Plohn, and for some reason when coaster enthusiasts talk about wooden coasters in Europe, this one always gets overlooked. We came here today to see if we could find out why.
Let's go. This is crazy, this thing. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Wow! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! The Airtime here! Brilliant. I cannot believe there's not more roller coaster enthusiasts talking about this park, because these roller coasters are incredible.
And I liked it too.